تحياتي. الفيديو التالي راح يكون شرح باللغة الإنجليزية. الفيديو الشرح باللغة العربية موجود الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the latest online application on my website that helps you to remove scratches from photos and convert black and white old photos to colorize all the black and white photos. So this video gonna be short. I'm going to show you how to do it on your smartphone, on your mobile. I'm using an iPhone. As you see, you can use your Android device even, and same steps you can follow on PC. As many of you asked me to make a tutorial on mobile, so this is the tutorial will be on mobile actually. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, activate the bell button if you want to get notifications soon as I upload a new tutorial. Share this video with your friends. Any question, leave it in comments below this video, guys. Okay, so let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh is information technology specialist.
Shreateh سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh earlier. Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
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 This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
So at the first, guys, you go to Google as always. You search for Shreateh apps, or you can search for Khalil Shreateh extension, same as my YouTube channel, or whatever you want to search for. Just make sure you are searching Shreateh apps or applications. Make sure you are on my website khalil-shreateh.com, as you see here, and the result should be free social media applications. Why? Because this is the sub website inside my website that contains all the free online applications. Each application has a YouTube tutorial inside my channel. You can visit my channel, then choose a playlist, then you can choose social extensions or social media. You can choose Facebook scripts or whatever playlist you would like to watch its videos. So once you got this result, free social media applications, hit it and wait for my website to completely load it. Once it loaded, you will get some ads. Make sure to click on the X button for each ad you see. If there is no X button, you will get a close button for sure. Make sure always you are on my website khalil-shreateh.com. If you click on an ad by mistake, the website gonna change to the target ad website. So once you are here, you will see at the top right corner there's the hamburger menu, which is the three lines on the top right corner. As you see here, the mouse over it. Click it and then choose web apps. You have two choices. Even you click on the web apps on the word, or there is an arrow here on the right. You can click the arrow to expand the sub menu, or you can click on the web apps. Same method. The application name is Photo Restore and Colorizer. The old application is Black and White Colorizer, which is this one, Black and White Colorizer. This is the old application. This application colorized the black and white photos. The new application is Photo Restore and Colorize. This will restore your image, your photo, remove scratches, and enhance the photo. So just choose Photo Colorizers. You can click on web app. If you click on web app, as you see, this is an ad and there is no X button. There is just a close button. So click on close button instead of the X button. Wait for the website to completely load back again. Okay, guys, and here more ad. Click on the X, and this is the Photo Restore and Colorizer. Okay, so click it. More ads. Click on the X, and here is the application. The application is easy to use, guys. But before we continue here, let me show you on desktop. This is my desktop. Once you are on my website, you will see the menu like this. Hover your mouse on web app, and then choose Photo Restore and Colorize. This is the application we are talking about. The old one is Black and White Colorizer. All these online applications for Facebook, YouTube, web app, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, social media, you can find all the tutorials in my YouTube channel. So once you are on the application, if you are on mobile, you click on this white area, drop file here. If you are on PC, just drag and drop, or you can just do the same method. Click on this white area and choose photo library or browse on your PC to choose the photo you want. So let's choose a photo. I'm gonna choose this photo, which is an old photo, and as you see, it's full of scratches. Once we choose this photo, we need to choose the method A or method B. So I'm gonna choose method A. I'm gonna leave it method A. Method A is an AI. Method B is different AI. So you can choose between method A and method B and see what results you prefer. Third thing, you need to prove that you are not a robot, you're a human. Just check it, it's Google Captcha. Then hit the convert button. This is all, guys. Once you hit the convert button, that's all. Just wait for the application to use its artificial intelligence, enhance your photo, colorize your photo, and boom, here is the result. Here is our result. It's super amazing. Look at this, guys. Let me open just the old photo here. Yeah, and here's the photo. Look at the difference, guys. This one is full of scratches and this one is totally enhanced. It's an amazing AI. So let's save this photo here. By long click on it and add, you can long press on it and then add photos. If you are on PC, right click on it and save photo as, and you will get it inside your album. So let's go back again and choose the same photo. Okay, and then I'm gonna choose the method B, prove that I'm not a robot, and hit the convert button. Once we hit the convert button, just wait for the website to finish. Okay, something went wrong. Let's just choose the photo again. Maybe convert. Okay, let's choose the old photo. Maybe the photo type is different. Let's just take, and here's the old photo that we used. Method B. Okay, convert, and okay, as you see, here is the result. Sometimes if you got some errors running this app, this means that the photo is not supported. The photo type is not supported. You need to upload GPG photo. And here is the result. There's more scratches in this AI method B, but as you see, it's better quality for colorize the photo. So you can use method A to remove scratches, and you can use this this method B to colorize your photo to make it more beautiful. This is the AI that exists in my website. You can use it totally free without paying any penny, because guys, on most of online applications, some of them or most of them ask you to pay money after free use. This website or this application is totally free. You can use it anytime without limitation. Don't forget to like this video, comment below for any question, subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the bell button if you want to get notifications soon as I upload a new tutorial. Support this video by sharing it with your friends, and see you in future tutorials, guys. See you, bye.